All right, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this onto my bar, and we're going to try out the, see if I can get it on here. We're going to try out the GoPro camera on here. So the way that I hook this on here, if you look, this has got, it's just a clamp, right? So you want to clamp it down good, right? And then it does kind of move a little bit, and then I've got to unhook this. I don't want to lose this nut, so I keep my finger on it. Got that off of there. And then if we grab our Hero, this is our Hero 13, we pop these two little bad boys out, and we can just stick them right on there like this. See that, how they fit in there? I think they will. Yeah, there we go. And then we got to get this through there. Let me show you. There we go. And then we can just tighten her down. And now we're ready to go. And then if I bring this up, and then I have to tighten this one here. Let me show you. On the very back of this. So this moves this around. You see that? Let me get a little closer. So this, see how this ball moves around? This thing right here locks it in. So I'm going to lock that in, right? I'm going to lock that in. And then up here, we're good. And now we're ready to rock and roll. Now, we can go ahead and do some video. And we're going to try it out on the bike and see what we think today. And that'll be fun. It'll be a nice test of the GoPro Hero Black 13. There it is. It'll be a nice test of the GoPro Hero Black 13. We're going to try it out. Okay, so now we're ready to rock and roll. First thing, of course, we just turn it on by pressing and holding. It comes on. And then we want to make sure we're on video. And then all we do is hit that. And I think you should be able to see. It's so light up bright out here that you can't see. Maybe on this side you can see it. Yeah, you can see, look. It's red. So we're recording. Now let's go for a ride. All right, here we go. On our way to the beach. Recording every second of our ride. All right, so we've got the GoPro on the front of the handlebars. And we're just kind of riding down Swinton. This thing is pretty amazing. It's pretty remarkable. I think you guys are going to really like it. All right, so this is sped up 400 times. I'm going down 2nd Avenue in Delray Beach. And I'm riding on the sidewalk, as you can see. It seems like I'm going really fast, but I'm not. I'm going actually pretty slow. But you can see all the trees, and I'm shooting 5.3K. There's a pink Tesla right there. You saw that. And see this minivan in front of me? Watch this. This guy almost hits me. I pull in front of him, and he moved forward, almost got me. But anyway, it's pretty good, huh? I gotta say that Hero 13 works great. And I just swiveled it around so you can see me. And I'm flapping my wings as I fly back home. And I'm home. All right, so I need to take this off. So I'm just going to loosen her here, just like that. It'll fall back. There we go. I'll just pop it off, set her over there. I'm going to go ahead and just turn it off. And put the flaps down. Don't want to lose that, so I'm going to put it back in here. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Otherwise you may lose your parts. All right, so now we can check out that video and see what you guys think of the ride on the bike.